Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Locks coming back to you with another powerful weight loss tea for you today. Now, this is a thermogenic tea that's extremely powerful in fat burning. This is going to burn that fat off of your body in no time, and you will see some really fast results. Now, I tell you, this is powerful. And we're going to be working with some ginger root, some cayenne pepper, half a lemon, our trusty organic honey. Okay, this is optional, and at least 500 ml of water. Okay, we're going to need a pan, and I'm going to start off by putting my water into the pan to start boiling. Next, you're going to need a nice hefty size of ginger. Okay, this would be about maybe 3 inches of ginger, and we're going to de-skin it. Now, with all that's going on out there in the world today, it's best you take the skin off of your ginger root. So this way, you don't get any type of infections or viruses. And it comes off really easy, just scrape it off. Okay, so now we're going to grate our ginger into our pan. Next, we're going to use a half a teaspoon of our cayenne pepper. Okay. Sprinkle that in there. Okay. And now we're just going to let this boil on the stove for 10 minutes. And we're going to cover our pot so this way we don't lose our steam. Okay? And I will be right back. Okay, you guys, so next you're going to take your strainer. And then we're going to take our lemon juice and just squeeze it inside of our tea. And then lastly, we're going to take our honey and put like a teaspoon of honey in there, just for a little sweeten. And there you have it, you guys. Now this is powerful, okay? Now what you can do is you start off drinking this in the morning on an empty stomach, and you're going to feel the burn. You're going to feel your bowels stimulating. You're going to increase your energy, increase your metabolism. This is what's going to accelerate your metabolism. And with doing that, you are burning fat. Your body is able to lose that weight fast. And this is a thermogenic, so this is a tea that's going to heat you up. Okay, you're going to feel the burn. It's going to be a little spicy, but the honey kind of offsets that taste. And you can drink this 2 to 3 times for the day, okay? As well as also eating healthy, light meals. So you guys, thank you so much for joining me on this wonderful video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below. Share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey. And also check down below for these wonderful items that I have in my eBay store, as well as the Amazon links that I have down below for these wonderful personal size and full size blender and the straws, the metal straws. And also check in the eBay store for these wonderful honeys that I have that is going to accelerate your body. Okay, it's for men and women. Okay, so don't forget, you guys, I have more wonderful teas, detoxes coming your way, and you know your girl got you. So until the next video, I will see you then. Welcome, YouTube family. This is the Velvet Locks introducing to you my new channel, and this channel is called Velvet Vlogs. On this channel you will see hair videos, skincare videos, as well as family vlogs. Okay, so check it out, go down below, click those links, and subscribe, as well as turn on your notification bell, and I will see you there.